increase it, not an issue, by establishing, spreading our tentacles and branches. So that point also matters very much. So coming to all these points, we have current account. See, a fake company never have a current account. What they will ask? They will ask you cash, or they will ask you put in somebody's account, or they will ask you to deposit amount in their personal account, which is SB account, savings account. Now what do you call all this? It's fishy. If the company is a registered company, they will have a current account. Let them put it. If you are depositing amount, whether cash or check or whatever it is, you transfer it from account to account. What is there? From your account to the company's current account. Very clear, no? No scam, no loss, no theft, no cheating, nothing. So company should have a clear-cut current account. In same bank, that too. Same bank is again a credibility. So we have a current account. For the last 2 years with one bank only. We never changed. So these are all things you need to think. That is why I don't depend on people. Think. Always think. Verify. Analyze yourself. This is what I say to educate to people. Motivate them. Never go by words of somebody. This company is good, this educational institute is good, don't go for that. This XYZ educational institute is waste, fraud, that and this. Don't stop. God has given you brain, please think, use it. Think on that. Because you are the better judge than anybody. Because you are going to take training, you are going to be placed, you are going to be the happiest person. If it is loss, you are the sufferer. Or either way. So never ask somebody's opinion. They will tell you good and bad. Same person, same word of mouth. People tell good and bad also. When you verify, you can assess. So you start thinking. That is what I say. So these are all different points I highlighted about fake companies and genuine companies. Possessing current account, website, size of the company, credibility of the company, company's CAN number, director's CAN number also will be there. Director's identification number. That is called DIN. Just like how companies will have CAN number, DIN number will have for the directors. Corporate identity number for companies, DIN. Director's identification number for the directors. Company spawn, individual spawn. See, all these are all there. Everything is there. How can one call a fraud company or a cheating company? I told you several points how to identify a cheating company and a fraud company and a credibility oriented company. It's very clear. So coming to our point now, BCom General and BCom computers students, freshers especially, please take Tally training from us. We have expert Tally trainers. We will give you a 60-day convenient days and timings for you. Whichever batch you want, you can join. Course fees is less. 1+1 offer is there. We are giving Tally plus e-commerce training. We will 100% give assurance in writing. We will place you either in the account side under this segment or on the e-commerce side, because there is a demand now. Due to this pandemic situation, everybody has affected, financially especially, morally. People incurred losses, a lot of loss. Money management has become very, stringent, I can say. So everywhere. So we are giving this opportunity, try to utilize. We give everything in writing. There is no need to worry. Those who don't have money, if n number of people say, sir, we don't have money, but we want to learn, we are interested. We want to learn, yes. We want job, yes. Even for them, we are ready to provide. Sign an agreement with us, because there is a financer for us. They pay to us, we pay to them, and they have to return back. So we pay for them. So on your behalf, so you have to make agreement with us. Okay? Financer pays to us on your behalf. So we have to make agreement with us. After receiving, we will pay to the financer. It's very simple. There is no ifs and buts. There is no confusion. On your behalf. So just sign an agreement with us, with our company. Take training free. We'll make you join in a good company. See, minimum guaranteed SU job we will guarantee, but not the monetary part. If you say, sir, I want 15,000, sir, I want 20,000, not possible. 10,000 is SU'd, you may get 15,000, you may get 18,000, you may get 22,000 also. You are lucky enough. We will see that you get opportunity, either in the account side or the e-commerce side. 100%, that is SU, take it for granted. A course fee is less. If you have money, please pay. 100 rupees register by paying 100 rupees, 2,500, pay 1,000 rupees first month, 1,500 next month, close it. We give certificate also to all. There is no ifs and buts. If you don't have money or you can't pay right now, yes, still you register with 100 rupees. We will give free training. We will provide you employment. 3 months after settling in the employment, in job, you work for 3 months and settle yourself first comfortably. Then start paying to us in the next 3 months or 6 months. 500, 500, 500, whatever it is. Very easy. We are not like others. We are not that commercial. We are talking in this video about commerce students. Next video we talk about science. And the next video we talk about management. And the other next video we talk about engineering students. So my video, please see my video fully, completely. Try to understand. Try to understand and take the essence of what my message, what I am trying to convey. You can talk to me over phone. In the description, I will give you our contact numbers, mail IDs, website this thing, everything. You can trust us. Build confidence, trust, think, verify, take decision. If you get better training opportunities and employment opportunities with other educational institutes or any other people who are giving everything free, please go for that. We have no problem, because other educational institutes are better. We never demotivate you. We never discourage or delimit any other educational institutes. They are better than us. I am very clear. They are better than us. They may be having even well qualified and well expertised trainers. They may also charge like that. We don't know. That's why we don't want to comment. I will simply say they are better than us. But you are the thinker, analyzer, decision maker. Please think yourself wisely, take a decision. Please utilize this golden opportunity. These points are very much considerable. Please see my videos, like my videos, share my videos. This is what at least you can do if you won't join, if you won't take training also. Thank you.